Okay. Hi guys, nice to see you again. Yes, today I will show you how to fix a bad bond thread. Yes, let us show you. Yes, I have a bond here. Yes, this is a 6 mm bond, and you can see this bond thread is bad at this moment. So today I will show you how to replace this bond thread. Yes, now let's start. I will show you that it is a 6 mm bond. Yes, here you can see. Yes, I can read it's a 6 mm bond. Yes, and in order to fix the bond thread, we will have that kit. Yes, I will show you. This is the first. I will use this to drill a larger ball, and then I will use this to make a new thread. Yes, this is for making a new thread. The second, and then the third, we will show you that this is a new bond thread. Here, I will measure the outside diameter of this bond thread. 0.75 millimeter. Yes. Now I will show you how to do this in this video. Yes, this bond thread here is bad, so I will use this one to make a bigger, yes, a bigger hole. Can you see it? Okay. Yes, this is the first thing, and then the second thing I will show you how to do this. Wow, is it good? Yes. Is it good? Okay. I will check for it. Exactly. Okay. I will drill a hole in here. Yes. I will show you how to do this. Exactly. Yes. Exactly. In this position. Wow. Okay. Okay. Carefully. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Exactly. Yes. No. A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now I will drill a new hole here. Yes. Now let's start. Okay. Before I do this, I will use can see. Yes, carefully. Exactly. Yes. In order to protect your eye, you should. Yeah. Your eye well. Okay, I will slow down the speed of the driller. Yes, okay. 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 Good. Very good. Yes. Okay. The first thing, I make a bigger hole. You can see here. Yes. A bigger hole. Okay. The first thing is that. And then the second thing. I will show you how. Yes. Just very, very carefully. Okay. The first thing. Then right here. Second thing, I will show you that. The next. Yes, already eyewear. Already finished. The next, we will create a hole here. Yes, we use this. You can see this stone is to create a new hole. Yes, I will use this wrench manually. Yes. Okay, you can see this is a tap drill. Very, very much carefully. Yes, carefully, man. Can you see it? Wow, carefully. Okay, very, very much carefully. Yes. Okay. Yes. Tap drill. Okay. Just back and forth. Slowly, slowly, step by step. Just back and forth. Yes. Okay. The second step, we will create a new bond set here. Yes, you can see, just back and forth. Yes. Can you see it? This toolkit I buy around 20 US dollar. Around 20 US dollar. Yes. I buy it from a local store. Local pack store. Yes. Very good. Just back and forth. Just back and forth. Yes. Very, very much slowly. Wow. Yes. Okay. Now. Go out. Yes. Is it good? Wow. Very, very beautiful. Yes. Already? We already have new bond thread. Okay. Yes, you can see new bond thread here. Yes. Again. Again. One more step. Okay. It's coming in so beautiful. Okay, come on now. Yes. The second step is that we will use this tool to make a nail bond thread. Yes. Okay. Nail bond thread with a bigger size. And then we will use this adapter. You can see? Yes. Put this adapter to a nail bond thread. We have new tool here. Is this one? Yes. There is one glue for me to drive it in. Okay, now I will drive this nail bond thread in. Yes. It looks so good. So good. Okay. Nail bond thread already in. Already inside. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then let me see. Okay. Yes. Okay. The other side. Wow, very much beautiful. I will break the glue. Okay. Yes. Ready. 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 Break the glue. Is it? Is it? Let me see. Let me see. Okay. The glue inside here. Yes. Is it come out already? Is it come out already? Yes. Ready. Come on. The glue. Okay. So we will have a brand new bond thread here. Yes. And I will use this bond. Yes. She's going so smoothly with the new bond thread. So smoothly. Go in. Yes. You can see very, very smoothly. Okay. Yes. Yes, that's enough. So I will show you again. We have a brand new bond thread here. Very, very beautiful. Yes. Okay. So what will we have here? Yes. The first thing we will use a drill. Yes, we use this one. Yes. And then we will use this to make a bigger hole. A bigger hole. Yes, this one. Okay, this is the first thing. And then the second thing is that we will use this to make a bigger bond thread. Yes. After, and then you can see. Yes. Very, very dangerous here. Yes. And after we will have a new bond thread, we will use this. Yes. This is a still brand new bond thread. We use this tool. Yes, you can see here. There's a glue here. Yes, we use this tool. Yes, to drive the bond thread inside of it. And then after that, we finish. Yes. And our result here, new bond thread. Very, very beautiful. Yes. And in the future, if you have bad bond thread, you can consider of my case. Yes, with a very, very simple tool here. Yes, we can solve any bad bond thread. Yes. Okay. On. That is on what I show you today. Yes. I hope this video will help you in the future. Yes. Thank you so much for your watching. Yes. Thank you so much. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Yes, goodbye.